Probably my favorite knife release this year from Bark River. It's the Bravo Tope Recon. It's a collaboration between Bark River and Dan Tope. This one is the rampless version, so it's, I guess they'd call it the field model. CPM 3V. It's got green canvas micarta. Got the black liners and black pins. It's just a excellent knife. About an 8-inch blade on it. I think the stock thickness is 0.187. Just awesome. Super well balanced. Carries really nicely on the hip. Sheath is absolutely phenomenal. This one I've treated, so it's a little darker than what you'd get. Did just a mild bit of wet forming and treated it with Huberd shoe grease, which is my personal favorite. I've taken the Scout carry, the Scout carry straps off of it, and fire steel loop off of it as well. Just I don't need that. Got it in the box if I ever want to put it back on. Highly recommend this knife to anybody that's interested. They also have the ramped version.